Come on. Okay, so we got a loose tooth. And we gotta get it out somehow, so we're gonna use the dog.
No. No.
Come on. Right, Miley? You ready to fetch your baby? Or a ball? You ready?
I'm gonna lose the tooth.
You ready?
Watch out, say honey. So what are we doing here, Darren?
Okay, hold this.
It's gonna hurt, I
this.
know that.
Not that. Just hold the leash. Okay. Okay, ready? Come over here, Bono. Let go of the leash. Let go of the leash. You can do it. You can do it. Let go of the leash. Let go. Hey, hey. Let go. Let go.
Bono,
Let go, Bono.
make it strong, Bono.
Let go, Bono. Let go.
Ahí
Let go of the leash.
Bono.
Let go of the leash.
Yeah, everybody gotta give him $1.
Let go. Ready? Hey. Bono, come on. Bono. Let go of the leash. Let go. Miley, sit up. Sit up.
Hey, I did it
Miley.
before too,
Bono,
Bono.
let go of the leash. Let go of the leash.
And do it. Put your hands behind your back like this. And make strong. Yeah. Count to 100. Come on, Dad, hurry up. Did it come out? There it is. Where is it? There it is. There it is.
Look at it.
Look at it.
So let me see your tooth. Let me see your gap. Open. I can't. There it is. How's it feel? Ooh.
Feels better, huh?
It's better.
Feels better.
Got popsicle. Cool, huh?